Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Audi Q2 Black Edition. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 114 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This particular colour is the metallic Daytona Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. Being the S-Line Black Edition, you get the sports seats, which are half leather and really comfy and supportive. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. You also have the air conditioning, cruise control, which is on the left-hand stalk just down there, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror and forward window controls. And then the lowest switch there is for the electric tailgate. For a small SUV, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Good amount of space there for getting children in and out of car seats, for example, as well. So opening the tailgate, which like I mentioned is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place as well. The Q2 has the adjustable floor, so that's at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish, then hide bits and pieces underneath. And below that, you've also then got some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch black alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.